Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl SequoyaMartice here, and I am back with another eye makeup tutorial. Now you guys know I kind of get inspired and I kind of go with the flow. I got this look from the fairy mother, and I decided to recreate her look. I can say I did not have pink eyeliner, so what I did was use my highlighter eyeshadow that was pink and just went that way, but everything else is similar to what she did. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and to interact with me because I would love to have a conversation. And with that being said, let's get into the video. Hey guys, so what I'm doing right here is I'm taking this hot pink and I am blending it in. I'm going to move my brush into circular motion just to make sure that I'm getting it everywhere. I'm not swiping, I'm kind of moving in circular motion, because that gets the product all over the eye and it makes it a smooth canvas. Just a disclaimer guys, I was chewing this gum pretty hard. It helped me focus, so please excuse me for chewing this gum hard. But yeah, let's get back into this look. Remember to blend until it is really smooth looking. Then you want to move on. You don't want to rush it because then it will look a hot mess. Now I'm going in with this light pink and I'm going to just put it over this hot pink and blend out the edges. It gives it this highlight look, but it also makes it very smooth and makes the transition very, very pretty. And when I say blend, I mean like it'll go smoothly. You won't be able to tell like where the makeup ends, because you know how we usually do our makeup and it's like a blunt stop. Well, when you blend in the transition colors together, you have that smoother look. And if you can't tell, I'm a perfectionist, so I'm going to keep blending until it looks right to me. And I suggest you do the same when you recreate this look. Blend, girl, like your life depends on it. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare. Now I'm getting ready to go in with my Juvia's Place, her eyeshadow base. And you want to make sure that your brush is saturated with this product on both sides. That gives you a smoother way to go in with this base. I looked up to make sure I measured it correctly. That way I wouldn't have a low cut crease, but I would have just enough space that fits my eye. So just work accordingly to your eye. And then I fill it in and then I keep going. Like, it's self-explanatory if you just watch. And then here's a makeup tip. Make sure when you're doing cut creases, you have a brush that is kind of round and not square. It's much easier to get a cut crease with a round brush than it is with a square brush. And right here, I'm kind of like tapping the product in. I'm not swiping down because somehow my pink mixed in and it gave it its own color. But right here, I'm getting another dry brush and I'm just tapping it dry because you don't want to have wet product when you go in with the silver. Now when you're doing a glitter
cut crease, you want to go in with a color that is close to the glitter you're going to be using. So since I'm using silver, I'm going to be putting a silver base eyeshadow base on it. So I went into my crayons case palette and I just used the silver just to coat this eye so that when I put on the glitter, it matches perfectly. And if you notice, I'm not swiping the eyeshadow in. I'm kind of tapping it in just to make sure I get it on just right. And I'm making sure I stay within my lines because I don't want to create a mess. But if you do happen to create a mess, just go back over it with the pink just to blend it out a little bit. And I messed up a tad, so I went back in with the pink just to smooth out my edges. Hey, you make mistakes, just go back and fix them. Now I'm going in with this glitter that I had got off Amazon. I did not realize how big the glitter was when I was putting it on. I thought it was going to be smaller, but it's chunks. So I'm just going on. I already put glue on the base of my eye and a little bit of glue on the brush. And I'm just tapping it in, making sure not to blend the glitter in with the pink eyeliner. I want the glitter to be over the eyeliner because I want the eyeliner to stand out because that is what makes the look what it is. And when you put on the glitter, you don't want to clump it together. You kind of want to spread it out just a tad because a little bit of glitter goes a long way. So this glitter is a little bit bigger than what I anticipated, so we're just gonna roll with it and keep going. I mean, hey, still looks nice. Now that I'm done doing my eyeshadow, I'm just gonna go ahead and beat my face and let you guys vibe out. But remember, when you're doing your makeup and you're doing the eyeshadow, just take your time. It's no rush. Perfection takes time. You guys got this. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Then dip me underway. Hold me till I